Dr. Lewis is on channel Who Gives a Fuck on TV, and people are bonkers. These right here are the Monty Carlo SS turn signals. I got a pair of them for about $40. So I'll be going to the junkyard with some epoxy. I'll be cutting this off, sanding this down, getting another set of turn signals off of another vehicle, and changing the insert clips out for the bulbs instead of 1988 inserts. So I'll swap them out, probably tape them off, paint them a little bit. They got a little bit of paint on them. But that's that.